Hi, welcome to Zero Compression Back Brace website. I'm Rosalie Adolko. It's so nice to be here, to talk about our product, and I'm sure you hear. I'm sure you heard about us with Imans and Bernie and Curtis Lua, and now in the radio. And I'm excited that you're here to see us. I am the inventor of Zero Compression Back Brace. We definitely got the patent. It's such exciting for that. And we also registered with the FDA, and very soon we're going to do a clinical study, which is exciting about it. And but the greatest thing, it is really to, I want you to explore our website and you go read the reviews of so many people who life had changed because of Zero Compression Back Brace. And we have testimony, we have a little bit of a story. So I hope you spend some time on the website and get the brace for you and enjoy life again, like thousands of people are enjoying life again with different background, doctors, nurses, PA, physician assistant, hairstylist, truck driving, people who lost hope. So I hope that you try. You have 2 weeks to try, and if it doesn't work, we give your money back. So thank you so much.